Welcome to my kettle series. So in today's video we are going to learn how to boil eggs using a kettle. So I will give you the link in the description box about the model, type and all that. So it's very easy to make eggs in a kettle. You need only about 15 minutes of time to prepare, and this is very useful again for bachelors, those who are staying in hostel, who don't have the proper gadget to make eggs. So I have taken 3 eggs here just for the purpose of demo. So first we need to switch on the kettle. So a knob is there at the bottom. You need to turn the knob and place it at maximum. A light will start glowing over here. So we are going to add water till it covers nearly half of the kettle. So now we are going to place our eggs in them. I've already tried making eggs in this kettle, so I calculated the time. So for a perfectly boiled eggs, that is hard boiled eggs, it will take around 15 minutes. So nothing more needs to be done. You just need to close it with a lid and set your timer to 15 minutes, and we will come back after 15 minutes to see how they are cooked. While adding water, ensure that the egg is completely immersed in water. So if the water level is less than that of the eggs, then it will take a longer time to cook, and sometimes it can also get burnt at the bottom. So ensure that you are adding sufficient amount of water. So now I am going to cover it with a lid and let it cook on the highest heat for 15 minutes.
In 15 minutes, and the egg is boiling nicely. Let's see. So I'm going to turn it off. Turn down the knob at the bottom. The light is also gone, and I'm going to switch off the main plug. So now, to stop the cooking, we are going to transfer the eggs to a cold water. So now, let it rest for about 5 minutes before we start peeling, because it is very hard to handle. It's been sitting for about a minute. Let us try and peel them. So here we have perfect hard boiled eggs. Now I'm going to try and cut it into two. So it's perfectly done.
So see, the egg is nicely cooked. You can have it as a snack or with any meal. Just I'm going to sprinkle some salt and some pepper to finish it off. So you have this hard boiled egg in exactly 15 minutes. This is another simple snack you can prepare using a kettle in a hostel.